Hi, my name is Ashrulochan Sahoo. I have completed GUVI's IIT-M Data Science Bootcamp in March 2022, and in June I got placed in a service-based MNC as a data management trainee through GUVI. I came to know about GUVI from a webinar. Since then, I started my data science career, my data science journey uh, at GUVI. From being a non-tech background, GUVI helped me a lot to excel in this domain. Hands-on learning, project-based teaching style, and my mentor's teaching style that influenced me to learn more, and last minute interview preparation questions, assessments, assignments that helped me to crack this interview. By the way, this was my first interview. I am thankful to my mentors, placement team, and coordinators for making my dream come true. I suggest GUVI to everyone who is starting their learning career in data science.